The case against Sandaruwan Senadeera was taken up in the Supreme Court once again today. Senadeera faces charges of making defamatory remarks through a website managed by him. Sandaruwan Senadeera is currently evading court.
President's Counsel Hemantha Warnakulasuriya informed the Supreme Court today that information has been received that the suspect identified as Sandaruwan Senadeera is residing in either Canada or the UK and requested court to issue notice to him through the Sri Lankan High Commissions in the two countries. The petition was filed by attorney-at-law Madura Vidanage calling on court to take legal action against Sandaruwan Senadeera, who continues to publish false stories against the court as well as justices. The three-judge bench of Justices Eva Vanasundara, K.T. Chitrasiri and Vijit Malalgoda decided to take up the case once again on the 20th of February.
Sandaruwan Senadeera Namati Sarnagate.
The refugee known as Sandaruwan Senadeera is a malicious media personality who is evading court. There were 14 petitions filed against him, and of that I requested court to issue notice to him in connection to slinging mud at the Supreme Court. We have not been able to locate his exact place of residence. However, one of his closest associates revealed where he is. He said that this individual would never accept these summons as he has an open warrant from the Gampaha court and a number of cases in British courts. The charges in relation to defaming individuals for money. I said that this is a joke because soon after the petitions were filed, they were published. Therefore, we will speak in court on what action can be taken if he does not accept the notice issued to him. The President's Counsel, appearing on Newsline this morning, also stated that the web mafia, which includes persons such as Sandaruwan Senadeera, also attempted to influence the proceedings of the court case on the murder of schoolgirl Vidya.
This also gives a clear signal to the international diaspora and the international
watchdog
community that we can deliver justice.
Indeed.
Our judges can handle any matter, so there was no necessity for us to have any foreign judges. Justice Ilanchalian was targeted by a certain website. Why? Because of this case, and they posted absolute false information,
rubbish, isn't it?
Garbage in Tamil in a website uploaded by from Norway. Now from Norway, and why they want to stifle justice? They want to ensure that Ilanchalian would discharge these accused. And what happened? Luckily, at that time, Ilanchalian was able to contact the then Chief Justice, and then thereafter they contacted the TRC, and we were able to ban that website. Now this shows with what difficult circumstances these judges work when there are politicians, supporting.
Just like the website in question operated from Norway is blocked, the website operated by Sandaruwan Senadeera, a fugitive, can also be blocked. If not, false and malicious information will continue to be published, bringing disrepute to the country. After this particular news report, we may once again be targeted by this fugitive and attacked on his websites. Perhaps only a former senior minister who pumped in government funds to this website will be delighted by this individual slinging mud at us and the public. The fact remains, Sandaruwan Senadeera cannot return to Sri Lanka and continues to remain at large, peddling his website at the whim of his benefactors.